maybe I'll head to Pinot Noir land now. It seems like a good transition because I see out of the corner of my eye and I can hear my producer in my ear, my fake earpiece, that I maybe have Joe Wagner just down the street, maybe coming up to say hello. And if you don't know Joe Wagner, well, I think you should, and you probably will. How are you, Joe?
I'm doing good. Amanda, how are you?
I'm better now because I've got a little Belle Glos with me.
All right, going straight for the big Pinots.
Well, that's how I roll. 2019, this is the vintage that we're talking about today. You have seen a lot of vintages here in Napa Valley, I think, right?
It's 21.
21 vintages. Yeah. All right. Tell me about the 2019 vintage. We've heard it called elegant. We've heard it called finesse. But how did you think the 2019 vintage fared?
I think 2019 overall was an amazing vintage. I say that because it was a moderate crop yield, so not too heavy. And we also had a few heat spikes. But other than that, it was nice 80s and low 90s here in Napa. That gives us an abundance of hang time, lots of development on the vine, so you get that phenolic concentration, you get that balance and weight, but still maintain acidity, and just have these very fruit-forward, but also like elegantly laced-in wines. So 19 was a fantastic vintage. I'm really excited about it, not just for Pinot Noir like we're tasting here, but Cabernet was the same, just extremely velvety, smooth, with good structure.
We're so lucky to have such great weather and great winemakers, of course, but tell me about this wine, because this is, the most special of the most special, right?
Absolutely, that's always our goal. So with the Yulin Loch Vineyard, it's located in Carneros, just on the Napa side of Carneros. So Carneros spans between Sonoma and Napa Valley. What I love about Carneros is that it's got these soils. They're clay loam. They're relatively light. And it's extremely cool in comparison to Up Valley, like where we're at today in St. Helena. That's great for Pinot Noir because I was talking about hang time earlier. That gives us a ton of hang time, and that is what we're looking for with this Pinot. And when I talk about our Pinots with Belle Glos, we're more of powerhouse Pinots. We really want to harness what the coast of California gives us and create these very rich, structured wines. We're not trying to emulate Burgundy by any stretch of the imagination. If we want to do Burgundy, we'd move to Burgundy.
We're in California. We celebrate California.
That's it. We got sunshine and beautiful weather. So these are rich Pinot Noirs. And this one, when it hits you, it's very impactful, but it also is a great food wine. It is extremely balanced. And that's what we expect out of our Pinot Noirs, is mouthfeel and beautiful acidity to carry that finish through.
Sometimes we say a cab lover's Pinot, but I hesitate to use that because I think this is a Pinot Noir lover's Pinot. This expresses the grape in a unique way, in a full way, and in a way that if whoever gets this lot, by the way, call me because I want a bottle of it for sure.
Well, the beauty of Pinot, number one, here in Napa Valley, Cabernet reigns king. But Pinot Noir as a varietal, I think is the best varietal out there at conveying a sense of place. It really captures that moment in time, that distinct vineyard or vineyard block, better than any other varietal, so it kind of transcends the site. That's the beauty of Pinot Noir. That's why you see such great diversity in the styles of Pinot Noir out there. And this one in particular is just kind of an augmented version of what people think of Pinot Noir. Big, boisterous, but beautiful.
I love it. Congratulations. Thank you so much for the lot. Thank you for being here. We are so excited about I'm so excited about this Pinot. I'm going to have a hard time putting it down later. Any final remarks to the bidders out there, whoever is going to be putting their paddle up for the Yulin Loch lot?
I want to say thank you all for your continued support over a few difficult years in Napa Valley, from COVID to the fires. It means a ton. So if you guys are wanting to get into some Pinot Noir, I hope you guys get your paddles up for this and really capture that sense of place and time in your own cellar. Cheers and thanks.
Cheers. Thank you so much, Joe. Nice
Good to see you.
Cheers, everyone. That was Joe Wagner of Belle Glos. Of course, this gorgeous Pinot Noir we're so lucky to have in the auction lot today. I am...